everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Pratika and in today's video I'm going to be telling you all 5 different Shein alternatives. So I've been wanting to do this video ever since Shein was banned, but I was just finding out a few more alternatives and specific brands that we find in India and could be used as a Shein alternative. So it's obvious that Shein cannot be replaced and it's definitely not coming back anytime soon. So here are a few alternatives and I find these brands have really unique styles at a very affordable price for the product that they offer. I'm not going to be mentioning websites like Myntra, Amazon, Flipkart. I've seen many videos and most of them just mention the websites like these. But I'm going to be mentioning brands that you may or may not find on these websites. I also do have a few clothing items from these brands, so I'm going to be showing it to you all as well as wearing it for you. And without wasting more time, let's get right into the video. So the first brand that I have here today is called as Veni Vidi Vici, and you can find this brand on Flipkart, Amazon as well as on Myntra. I'm not so sure if it's on Ajio, but then you can definitely find them on all the other sites. And I bought 2 tops from them from Flipkart and I absolutely love them. The material is just amazing. The price is very affordable. You can get various different styles of crop tops as well as tops under 500 rupees. So that's super amazing and I really do like their styles and the material that comes along with the product. So this is the first top that I bought from here and it's black cold shoulder crop top and I absolutely love it. So I also bought another top which is the same variant but in the color white. The reason I bought the same top in both of these colors is because you can match them with literally anything, any high-waist top or high-waist pant and it would look amazing. So I paid $450 for each of these and that is super affordable for the product that it is. So as of now, I think the price is a little higher. Back then it was during a sale, but you can definitely compare them on all these 3 sites and get the best deal. So this is how the black top looks like and it does have this crisscross pattern at the back, but at the front it's just going to be like the normal straps. So this has a layered top which gives you this fan-like effect on the top and the bottom is just a plain simple top. I bought this in the size XS and I absolutely love it. It fits perfectly. So you can definitely give this one a try. So as I'm wearing this top, I do like the length. It's definitely a crop top but it's not too tight at the bottom. My absolute favorite part about this top is the back. I love that crisscross pattern that it gives at the back. Now coming to the layered style that the top has, it kind of looks like an umbrella and I do like how it looks. So this is the next top that I bought from them and it is almost the same design as the previous one except for the material. This one kind of has like a straight textured material whereas the black one that I have, it kind of has a checkered material. So it's not much of a difference, but this seems to be a little bit softer than the black one. So these are the 2 tops that I bought from Veni Vidi Vici and I do like them and I've found various different styles that I love to purchase from them on their site. So I'm going to be leaving a link to all the products in the description box below. So this one is exactly similar to the black one that I wore earlier, except that the material over here is much more softer compared to that one. And even though this is white in color, it is not see-through and that's the best part about this top. And you can style both of these tops with any high-waist pant or skirt and it's gonna look amazing. So the next brand I'm going to be talking about is Street Style Store and I know most of you guys have heard of this brand and are just wondering if it's really good or not. So I was the same way and I've been seeing so many different ads on this brand, particularly on Instagram as well as on YouTube, and I had to try this. So this particular brand has various different affordable products like tops, jumpsuits, pants, anything you can think of in the clothing items, and they also have this offer which says 3 for 799 or 3 for 999. And I do know that the clothing items may or may not be good on this site. I've heard a lot that this brand is associated with shoes and they're really great for the price, but I haven't tried their shoes. I do have 3 different tops which I bought from their 799 collection. So that makes each of these tops for around rupees 250 to 280 or something, which is pretty good, but I do have a little bit of a problem with one of those tops. So let's get into what I actually have from them. So my absolute favorite top that I bought from them is this beautiful lavender top, and it's a very high turtleneck top, and it does have a very deep hand length over here, so it comes from here till here, and I absolutely love how beautiful this looks on me. So I usually get all of my clothes at the size that is lowest present. Sometimes it's XS, sometimes it's S, and it depends on the brand. So this one did come in the size XS, and that's the reason I bought XS. But it fits perfectly, like it is amazing, the fit is good, the material is okay, it's not the best, but for the price it is not see-through and it does look amazing. I absolutely love the color. This does come in various different colors. So the only issue that I have with this one is this head over here. It's a tad bit small, so I will have to like squeeze into it. So that's the only issue that I have, but if I bought this in the size XS, I think it would have been a little better, but I don't know if this would fit really well on me because the other part of this fits perfectly. It just depends on what you like. Once it's in, it does not feel really suffocating, it fits amazing. So this is one of my favorite tops from them, and I do like this one. So I bought 3 tops from here, and this one is my absolute favorite. I love that lavender shade it has, and the high neck just looks so chic. So I'm going to be doing a detailed video on Street Style Store, and I will be showing you all the other 2 tops along with this one again in that video. So stay tuned for that. So moving on to the next brand. The next brand that I've tried and absolutely loved is this brand called as Freakins. So Freakins is basically a jean brand. So they have a lot of different products varying from jumpsuits, tops, dresses as well as jeans. So I was just really curious to try and see if the jeans fit really well. So when I tried this, it was around the time last October, and they had a clearance sale going on where there were several different items just for rupees 500. So I had to get this one, and I absolutely love this product. So if you follow me on Instagram, that is at cutenaila96 or at pratika_suvarna, then you must have seen this pant already. This particular pant is from Freakins, and I really like the striped design that it has. So this is how the pant looks like, and you can see it's Freakins and it's in the size 26. So this is a very high waist pant and it fits amazingly well. I am really surprised that you can find a brand which is not super expensive but they still fit really well. So this particular product is obviously not available as of now, but then there was another high waist stripe pant which was for rupees 998. But you can definitely check their website. They do have very different products and they do offer cash on delivery, and this particular product came to me in a week or so, so the delivery is pretty good as well. I did see this particular design on Levi's as well, but I didn't get that one. This one is definitely worth it, and for 500, like I would even pay $1,000 for the fit. So yeah, this is the third brand that you definitely need to check out and can be a Shein alternative. I absolutely love the fit of these pants. It's really high and it also has a really good length. So these are skinny pants and it has 4 pockets in them. I love the stripes on the sides as well. It gives it a really nice stylish look. So the fourth brand I'm going to be talking about today is called as SR Store. So they do have their own website, and I particularly came across this website even before Shein was banned. The reason being, I absolutely loved a 2-piece dress from Shein, but it was out of stock for the size XS. And I do know that there are various different sites, or there were various different sites which resold whatever they bought from Shein. So I was just searching this particular outfit on anywhere possible just because I really wanted it. So I wore this for my birthday last year and I absolutely adore this piece, and it is available on SR Store as of now. So this particular brand was not very well known back then, so I was just giving it a shot and I got this outfit for just 400 rupees. Can you even believe that? And as of now it is for around 799 because many people are getting products from there and they are definitely known much more than what they were known earlier. So that's when I got this for 499, but again, even if you get this product at 799, it's definitely worth it. So this is a 2-piece outfit that I'm talking about. So this is how the top looks like. It's a sleeveless top but a more thicker sleeve, and it fits perfectly. It is a little bit loose over here, but that's how the top is supposed to be. And it has a great material. You can wash this and nothing happens to this. So the material is super great. They do have their own tag, but again, since I found this product on Shein, I really don't know if they really recreated this product on their own or just were reselling it earlier. But yeah, they do have the tag over here, and it's again in the size XS. So this is how the skirt looks like, and it's actually a short skirt. So I found this outfit in 3 different variants, where one of the skirt was like a wrap skirt, the other one was a 3/4 skirt, and there's one more which is a pant. So it's almost the same design but in 3 different kind of variants of 2-piece outfits. But I have to say the material impressed me, and for the price this is totally worth it. So as of now, they do have various different products as well on their website. So you can check out this brand as well, because they definitely have great products at an affordable price. This is my first 2-piece outfit and I am in love with it. You can pair each of these pieces with other outfits as well and it will look amazing. So even though this material is very stretchable, it is definitely figure hugging, and I love how it accentuates my waist. So I saved my favorite one for the last, and it's called Berry Lush. So you can find them on berrylush.com as well as on all these sites like Amazon, Myntra, Flipkart, and I'm not so sure about Ajio because I don't really shop from there. So I absolutely love this brand, and if you buy it from their very own site, then you can also get some coupon codes which you can find on the site and get additional 15% off. And they do have sale going on in once in 2 months or so, but you can additionally apply the coupon codes that they find on their site and get additional discount on the product. So that is pretty good, and I do absolutely love their floral as well as printed 2-piece outfits. So these are very flowy 2-piece outfits. They also have various different designs of dresses as well as off-shoulder tops and a few other clothing items as well. So this is the first product that I have from them, and it is a 2-piece outfit and it looks exactly like how it's on their site. You can also find additional reviews on their site at the bottom of each product. So this is basically the top. So this is an off-shoulder top and it does have elastic on top as well as at the bottom, and this is the best part about this top. So I'm very sure that all of their 2-piece outfit come in the same design, but except for the pattern on the outfit as well as the color. So this one was the retro polka dot one, and the reason that this is really good is because it sits very well over your shoulder and the bottom elastic would fit very well at the bottom. So this is how the skirt looks like. It's a very long skirt and they do have a very high slit over here. So let's talk about that a little while later. But they do have a zip as well. So I bought this product in the size S, and if you are a size XS like me, then this is definitely not going to fit you. But you do not really have a choice because the starting size on their website is S. You do find certain products here and there which has a size XS, but the 2-piece outfits do not have one, which I've also given a review for because it does not fit you. So this particular product was actually reaching my lower waist, so I had to stitch it a little bit, like put 2 tags over here, and now it fits perfectly, but you will have to alter it a little bit. As well as coming to the slit is super high, so it actually starts from the top itself, so that's really high unless you're wearing something inside. I did stitch it till here, and you can go lower as well. So that is the only issue that I have with this outfit. So coming to the material, they do have really good material. So it's definitely thin, but if you wear something dark inside, then it's not see-through at all. So I paid rupees 666 for this during the sale and adding some additional offers and coupons on their site. But as of now, this is for 900 rupees. But do wait for the sale and you can get it at a better deal. This outfit definitely gives a complete retro vibes to it. It does come in other colors as well. So the best part about the top is that it has elastic at the top as well as the bottom, and it stays where you wear it, so it does not go over your shoulder. And I love the slit at the bottom, it gives it a very nice look. If you like this video, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to not miss any videos. and also give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment box below if you've tried any of these brands or you're gonna try any of these. So that's all for today's video. See you on the next one.